Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the K2 apartments that are being built in downtown Kingston. Now the downtown Kingston area is being, I guess you could say, a lot of development taking place. They have three 10-story buildings that are under construction. So we're going to go through the first of the three, which is the K2 building. And this is the building we're looking at now. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Urban renewal projects have long been recognized as pivotal to transforming underutilized areas into vibrant, economically dynamic communities. In Kingston, Jamaica, the Kingston 2 K2 apartment development stands as a beacon of this transformative vision. Located in Bournemouth Gardens, Kingston 2, this $2.1 billion project is poised to reshape the socio-economic landscape of East Kingston and Port Royal. Spearheaded by Sherborne Limited and endorsed by key government figures including Prime Minister Andrew Holness, K2 Apartments aim to revitalize East Kingston by attracting residents to a waterfront community designed for modern living. The development comprises studio, one-bedroom and two-bedroom apartments priced at $16.2 million, $28.8 million, and $34.6 million respectively. The design incorporates large windows to maximize view of the picturesque Kingston Harbour, blending aesthetics with functionality. The K2 Apartments project promises significant economic benefits. It is expected to generate jobs for skilled and unskilled workers during construction and enhance the local economy by stimulating demand for goods and services. Once completed, the development will also contribute to the real estate market, providing affordable yet high-quality housing options in an area historically underdeveloped. Socially, the project aims to foster a sense of community by creating recreational spaces and improving safety. This aligns with the government's broader urban renewal strategy, which also seeks to make East Kingston and Port Royal desirable residential destinations. By integrating these objectives, K2 has the potential to become a model for similar projects in the corporate area. The Kingston 2 Apartments developments represents a bold step towards urban renewal in East Kingston. By combining modern housing with waterfront accessibility and recreational spaces, it aims to uplift the community economically and socially. If successful, this initiative could pave the way for further developments, helping to unlock the untapped potential of Kingston's eastern districts and contributing to Jamaica's urban growth and sustainability. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Now the development is between Windward Road and the Raytown community. So this is the Raytown fishing village that we're coming up to on the left, just to give you an idea. And the development is right across from the Kingston Harbour. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.